Welcome to the course, Vibing with Base44 to Android Development. Our goal is to go from vibing to actually understanding how to make Android apps. So we're going to start vibe coding with Base44 to get a mock of our app. And then with the help of AI, we will use ChatGPT to accelerate our learning and app creation process. Now, speed is nice, but we actually want to understand what we are doing. Focus is going to be to understand why the code works. So we're going to combine Base44 with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose to quickly mock up app ideas, build simple apps, and eventually use idiomatic Jetpack Compose. So we're going to create an app using Base44, Android Studio. We'll learn the fundamentals of Jetpack Compose. We'll build simple apps in Base44, and we'll convert them to projects in Android Studio. And eventually we'll persist data using the Room database and publish to Google Play. So enjoy the course and see you on the other side.